What's up, y'all, and welcome back to another Deadpool party reaction video. I'm your boy Jay.
I'm Alexis.
And we're about to react to Living with Jigsaw from this paper. What the fuck? You see them over there?
You gotta get out. He said living with Jigsaw.
Oh yeah, because he ain't paying no damn rent.
So you really gotta get out.
Eating all the food, riding around that little, little bicycle.
Him on that, I love to eat,
Jigsaw,
hell no.
Alright. Got them damn circles around his face, talking all like this. Oh, it will be blood. Okay, let's get into it. It's supposed to be real funny, baby. I've seen other people react to it. Let's get it.
I'm scared. Hold my hand.
So, what's it like living with Jigsaw?
Not as cool as I thought it would be.
I want to play a game.
Oh, hell no.
I want to take a shower. So.
The toilet has been clogged with two-ply paper towels and dirty socks. If you do not fix it in the next 27 seconds, it will overflow, covering your personal electronic devices in filthy toilet water. To reach them, you must walk barefoot across a floor covered in razor blades. The clock is ticking, Gary. Make your choice. The wine in both your glasses has been replaced with the blood of a three-toed sloth.
What do you want? Like, what?
You are completely surrounded by armed mousetraps.
Nobody put mousetraps around them. Look.
The keys to your car have been force-fed to Bingo. You must retrieve them in the next 5 minutes using any weapon of your choosing from this open drawer, or you will not make it to the office on time. The choice is yours, Gary. Will you take the life of your best friend, or be late to work for the 4th time this week?
You've had it with parenting, but wait, there is a solution. Introducing Nap Time, the latest, most effective tool for child tantrum breaking. Simple, just douse a rag with our patented sleepy time formula, place it over your child's cry hole,
It was
press
kind of
and hold
scary
gently for
too.
8 to
That little
12
thing
seconds,
sitting up there,
and
you go to the bathroom,
no more
and then
tantrum.
you in the bed.
Remind me of what's that movie?
Never.
The puppet movie. What is it called? The puppet movie with the little puppets. Oh my god, puppet movie. I can't think of the movie. The scary movie with the puppets in. But yeah, if you start living with Jigsaw, baby, I think he would do all that stuff. Have shaving cream every time. You will be walking into the bathroom and your toothpaste is replaced with poison. Put this on your teeth in 5 seconds. Then, if you eat your Frosted Flakes, I have replaced your bananas with pieces of crap.
Ew.
If they made some more, y'all, let us know. Leave them down below it and tell us about it. That's funny. If you liked our reaction, hit the like button.
Comment.
Subscribe.
Share.
Leave request. And I'm your boy Jay.
And ooh, Alex.
Alright. We're Deadpool Party. Peace out.